Hey there, this is Patrick with Headfirst Printing and thegreatcase.com, and I'm here to show you just how quick and easy it is to design your own custom iPhone or Samsung or tablet case or even a BlackBerry case on thegreatcase.com. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to design an iPhone 4 case for this example. So I'm going to click on the iPhone 4. And that's going to load up our designer tool. And from here you can upload a photo, you can grab a photo from Facebook or Instagram, you can add text, graphics, anything you'd like. So right here is the design view, and what you see in white is the back of the iPhone 4. Now with our unique process, we actually print all the way around the sides of the case. It's a one-piece shell that is completely covered in print. And so what you have here, the white part of this is the flat back of an iPhone case, whereas you need to pull in your photo or image all the way to this dotted red line, and that way the image is going to wrap around the sides. It's going to look really cool. So I'm going to grab a picture here. So I'm going to add a design, and to do this, let me back up, show that to you again. I'm going to click the Add Design button here, and that's right here in the design tools. We have add design, add text, or add a team name. I'm going to add a design, and I'm going to upload a design. You can see on the side here, you can also grab from Facebook or Instagram. You can use any of our free background patterns, but I'm going to go here. I have this picture from a trip I took out west, so I'm going to upload that. You'll see it's going to upload here. It's going to take just a minute because we have not the world's fastest internet connection. Alright, so it's just about done uploading here, and it finishes up, and it's going to pop up and ask me if I have permission to use this picture. A lot of the pictures you find online you might not have permission to use, so you don't want to use anything you don't have permission to use. So I'm going to check here, declare that I have permission to use this file, and there we go. So this is a kind of wider picture, and I want it to go the other way. So I'm going to grab this little arrow handle here. That's the rotate tool, and I'm going to rotate the picture this way. And then I'm going to enlarge it just by grabbing it and dragging the outside out here. Now I really dig that Las Vegas skyline, but I'm not so hip on the railing there. So I'm going to just bring this down, and we'll put the railing on the outside, and the back of the phone will have mostly just the picture of Las Vegas. Then I'm going to add some text here, and I don't know if you saw, but right here there's this green bar, and as you scale the size of the image, that green bar is going to change in size and let you know if your image is getting too small to use. We've got a great big image here, so we're not going to have any problems with that. But if you find an image online, that bar might turn yellow or even red, indicating that the image might be too low, too small of a size, and too low in quality to turn into a phone case. So I've got my image there, and I want to add some text here. So I'm going to add some text to this, and I want that in white. So I'm going to grab this, click the white. I'm going to rotate that to the side, and I think I want that in a different font. So there we go. I'm going to put that in this font here, and I'm going to enlarge this, make this a little bit bigger. And I think that's exactly what I want. So now that I've got everything in place, all I have to do is go down to the bottom here and click Add to Cart. It saves the item, and it's ready to go. You just have to hit checkout and go through the checkout process here, and it'll order your case for you. And as always, in the US, we give free shipping through the US Post Office. So go ahead, design a case, make it awesome, make it your own.